Hi everyone, Julia Fibbe, Developmental Agronomist with Golden Harvest. Today I'm out at one of our Agronomy in Action sites about to fly my drone over one of our bean plots. I wanted to take the opportunity to tell you guys all a little bit more about the plant health tool we are currently utilizing with our drones this season. Utilizing Drone Deploy's Maps and Model flight plan, we are now able to fly our fields at 400 feet and capture real-time plant health data. As you can see in the video, the drone is stitching images as it flies through the field. By the time the drone lands, we're able to overlay a VARI filter to evaluate the reflectivity of green and plant health in the given field. We've seen great value in utilizing this tool for canopy closure, pollination evaluations, yield expectations, and for grower calls such as corn rootworm lodging and even dicamba drift. But overall, we're able to be more efficient scouters by utilizing this plant health flight. If you need a field flown for plant health assessment, please reach out to your Golden Harvest agronomist.